So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. Wow, look at this beautiful red pixie style. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I think what I love most about this cut is definitely the color. So pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. Next up, we have someone getting a bob haircut. Oh, wow. I love the shape and texture of this. Absolutely gorgeous makeover. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she wants to get like a pixie style haircut. This is also known as the anime haircut. Very cute. And then we see someone else with hair just past their shoulders. And she decides to switch things up with this beautiful bob haircut. Loving the feathered bangs going there on the front through the side. Very nice. And then we see someone with blue ombre hair. And she decides to switch things up with this curly pixie bob. Such a fun hairstyle. So next we move on to someone who looks like they might be in for a cut refresh. Stylist kind of shapes and cuts the hair. Beautiful longer pixie style, bit of an asymmetrical shape. I like the amount of volume that this has too. Very nice. And then we have a bit of color being added for the last transformation into this gorgeous bob style. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.